How to fix Legiral Massager if it's not working, how you can simply factory reset it or solve this issue on your device. So if your Legiral Massage Gun is not turning on or responding, follow the steps to resolve the issue. Step 1 will be check the power switch. Ensure the power switch is turned on. Some models have a switch located near the handle or on the side there. Step 2 will be charge the massage gun. Plug the charging cable into the massage gun and a wall outlet. Let it charge for at least 30 minutes before attempting to turn it on. If the LED indicator does not show any charging light, try a different wall outlet. Inspect the charging port and the cable. Check for loose connection or damaged cable from your adapter or the mobile cable here itself. Try using a different charging cable or inspect the charging port for dirt, debris or dust. Perform a soft reset. Some massage guns have a reset button, usually near the power switch or the charging port. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds to perform a reset. If there is no reset button, try holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to do it. Check for overheating. If you have been using the massage gun for a long period, it might have overheated. Allow the device to cool down for at least 30 minutes. Test the button functions. Ensure the power button is not stuck or damaged. Then you can simply solve it. Thank you so much for watching this video.